In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find your social security number. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly locate and check your own social security number. If you are just curious about the subject, you will learn how to properly find it using your documents or replacing it by acquiring a new one. And if you actually did lose access to your social security number, you will also be able to follow these same steps to get a replacement. So the most convenient and direct way to check your social security number is to look in your social security card, of course. So it is going to be listed on the front of your social security card. If you did lose access to your card, then sadly you will have to look into alternatives. You can look into tax returns, W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and any sort of bank or other financial statements. You can try talking to previous employers of yours and they might be able to find it as well. Besides this, all of the info and all of the ways in which you will be able to reacquire and find your social security number are going to be available on the SSA.gov website. So through a web browser on your computer or your phone, go to SSA.gov. In here, you will be able to choose replace card or request number for the first time. Usually, if you did lose access, you will go over to replace card. You can call them at these numbers here through these time zones, and as long as you call them over here or you choose the option to answer a few questions, you will see if you are eligible to get a new card, either online or through an appointment. So just answer these questions, and after you go through all of these, when you get to the end, there is going to be a very important one. As you can see, they will ask you if you know your social security number. Of course, if you do, just answer yes, and they will easily give you the new social security card. But if you don't, you have to answer no and make an appointment. You will have to present documents to prove your identity, and this is going to be the only certified way to get a new card and find out your own social security number. It is going to remain the same, and they will be able to give it to you once you prove your identity. But if you don't want to go through this trouble, then like I said, look into tax returns, W-2 forms, 1099 forms, or other financial statements from banks and such. I hope I was able to help you on how to find your social security number. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.